Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how do I replace line breaks using JavaScript. Without any further ado, let us start the video. Let me create a file. I'll write line breaks.js. So usually if you download a CSV response, or if you are using a txt file which has a line breaks and you want to replace the line breaks and read it through JavaScript file, how can you do that? So I'll take a simple example. I'll write var data, presuming this data has come up from a CSV file. So I'll write Azhar. Let's say now it has come up with /n and techno /nCoder. So usually this is Azhar enter techno enter coder. This is the meaning of the /n. /n is enter. So how can we read that and how can we define in our code? So for that, guys, let me write I'll write output equal to, I'll write data dot replace. I can write /r question mark /n. Now this /gm. Now I'll write do everything and replace it with comma. Now here we'll see the output. So I'll write console.log output. Let me write node line breaks.js. So now you'll get Azhar, techno, coder. So what if you want exactly /n, right? So you can have that also. So let me write another scenario here. Let me comment this. Let me paste it here. Instead of comma, you can also give /n. So it will be Azhar /n techno coder. So whenever you get the data like this from CSV file, you can use this formula. You can replace it accordingly. If you want to use commas, this is the desired value. Let me write this as scenario 1. I'll put comment here and I can write here. So instead of output, I can write output comma output enter. So I'll put it here and output comma I can put it here. You can practice more and more scenarios like this, and if you want the desired results, you can get it according to the regular expression which you are giving. Scenario 2. So let me run this once again. CLS. So yeah, hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.